Good morning guys, I hope you are all well. Today's video is going to be a bit of a styling, fashiony video, but a very kind of approachable, realistic style one. I'm going to be talking about how to dress comfortably in autumn, some of my favourite kind of autumn styles that I wear year after year after year. So this isn't like trend based. I have absolutely no idea what the autumn winter 2021 trends are. I kind of don't really care. I just kind of go with what I think is comfortable, what suits me, what's kind of easy to get hold of in stores. That normally means it's kind of slightly trend based. And I think a lot of you guys are like me when it comes to what you wear and feeling comfortable and wanting to kind of look cool, but comfort is key. So I thought I would just run through some of my kind of key pieces for autumn. I'm going to mainly be using photos that I will put here on the screen because a lot of my clothes don't really fit me at the moment, but also I'll try add in some photos of other people as well as myself. I thought this video might be helpful if you guys are looking for what pieces to kind of invest in or add into your autumn wardrobe. I don't do like a capsule wardrobe as such, but I like seeing these kind of videos because then I can see where there's a gap in my wardrobe and be like, oh, I don't have one of those. That might really transform my wardrobe. So that's kind of the point of this video. So let's get started. And the first item I wanted to talk to you about, I've mentioned these so many times on Instagram, so if you follow me on there, you're probably bored of me talking about these, but a Chelsea boot is a really good staple shoe to have in your wardrobe for autumn and winter. And you know what, you could wear them in spring as well. If you wear them with like a dress, I think they look really cool. And I think it's so important to find comfortable shoes. There's nothing worse than a shoe that like rubs and gives you blisters. I have absolutely no time for that. These are the Luca boots from Hush. I just find Hush is one of my absolute go-to brands for comfort, and I just love the style. I think everything always just feels right. So these are the Luca boots. They are a flat Chelsea boot. So a Chelsea boot, I guess, is this elastic bit, and this bit, it kind of makes it a Chelsea boot. They've kind of got a round toe, but not like too round, like slightly pointy a little bit, maybe more of like an almond shaped toe. But the leather is so soft and they are so comfortable, and the base is really kind of bouncy. They're just so comfortable to wear. I've worn this with dresses, I've worn them with trousers, with jeans, and they seem to go with everything, and they're just like one of the best purchases I've ever made. Actually, I just showed a photo there of me wearing these boots with a dress, and that dress is also from Hush. I think it is quite nice to have a kind of transitional autumnal dress in your wardrobe, because sometimes it's like, some of the days it's warm enough where you can still wear like a midi dress and you can put on a jacket or a coat on top and wear it with boots. And I love kind of the greens and burnt orange tones in autumn. So I would say also look out for like a nice kind of jersey soft dress. I know it's an obvious one, but a striped knit will always be a classic in autumn. I just think a striped knit suits everybody. I have this one from And Other Stories. I actually just saw it in store, thought it was really nice, got it, did not realise it is like the most sought after jumper of the season. Like, who knew? It's always sold out online, everyone's always desperate to get their hands on it, but seriously every store does a striped knit. I really like this one, but there will be so many. I'll try and find some alternatives for you guys online, but seriously, it's not groundbreaking. Stripes in autumn has been a thing forever. But I just love how it looks on like a chunky knit with jeans, or, you know, jeans, boots, like a really nice like trench coat. I just think it looks so cool. So this is my pick for this autumn, but I've had many different striped knits in the past, and I just always think it looks so cool. If you haven't already got one, I think it's worth getting hold of like an oversized white shirt. This is the one that I have from And Other Stories, and I really like the fit because it's quite a soft cotton, so it's not like too crunchy, you know? Sometimes shirts are too crunchy, it's softer, and I just think it's so good to have. You can either just wear a white shirt with jeans and like your trench coat or whatever autumn coat you have, or you can layer it under things. And I think last year I wore this white shirt under a long knitted vest, and I think that's so nice. I think in autumn it's so nice to kind of mix different textures. You know, after summer, just like getting a bit bored of wearing summer dresses, it's so nice to mix it up a bit with all the different kind of textures and materials. And I just think if you haven't already, find that one great white shirt and just have that in your wardrobe as like an easy go-to. I think And Other Stories shirts are really good. If you're gonna invest in one bag I would say make it black. It goes with everything, and I love a crossbody bag. I just like having my hands free. I like it to be like easy to get to. The bag that I love is the Gucci Soho Disco bag, but there are a lot of high street versions of this bag as well. It's just a pretty standard shape. I just like that it's slightly softer, not too rigid. But a crossbody bag, I just wear this with everything. There's rarely a time where this doesn't go. Also, if you don't need to have crossbody, I find that like mum life, I kind of have to at the moment. It's just more convenient. But if I didn't, I've seen so many people with really nice like shoulder leather bags. I think that looks really cool as well. I'll try and find some like images to show you. But like a really nice like black leather bag, or even like a tan brown in autumn, is so nice, kind of like a tote bag style. Goes with everything. Coat wise, I love that in autumn we can all get our trench coats out. It's like such a short period of time where you can wear a trench coat where it's not like too cold, but it's cold enough that you don't look ridiculous in a coat. I got this one last year from Weekend, and I love it because it's this kind of like, more like floppy material, do you know what I mean? It's not too rigid, which I really like. I like the way it flows when I like walk. I just think this is kind of more of a sandy colour than a camel. But this with like the striped knit or the white shirt and jeans and boots is just my like perfect outfit. I absolutely love autumn style, and I think a trench coat like suits everybody. There are so many different lengths depending on what suits your like height. But find a good trench coat and it will last you for years. I mean, this one's high street, it's only from Weekday, and I really, really love it. I can't wait to start wearing this again. I'm very much into the kind of neutral tones. And you know what? I think teddy coats were definitely like a thing last year and the year before, and I don't even know if they're still a thing, but I still love a teddy coat. I love the texture that it gives to an outfit. This is one I have from last year from Zara, and it's actually hooded. I know it's quite brave with kids to have this colour coat, but I will wear it on the weekends, and yeah, like I said, it just adds like another texture to an outfit. There are so many different types of like teddy bear coats that you can get. I will link some of my favourites down below from this year. I decided to go for a kind of shorter one. I feel like when they're too long, maybe it's a bit too much going on, but I love the kind of oversized teddy bear look. Something I have yet to master and have never been able to find to suit me, but I absolutely love the look on other people, and I'm determined once I've had this baby and I'm kind of back to some kind of like normal for me body size or shape. I don't even know what that means. Maybe in like a year's time. I feel like that's how long it took after having Gray. I'm gonna go on the hunt for the perfect pair of trousers. I find myself just wearing jeans all the time, which I love jeans, but sometimes I just would love to wear like a black pair of trousers, and Emma Hill does this really well, like loose, relaxed trousers. I've never managed to find any that I find are comfortable, and you guys know I hate wearing thongs, so I hate when you wear trousers that are like tight on your bum and then you have to wear a thong with it. I don't know, I just can't work it out. If you guys have any tips, let me know. But here are some images of how a relaxed pair of black trousers can really make an autumnal outfit, and I think it looks so cool and just such a nice change from jeans. So that would be something I would say try to get if you can. And then a beanie. I love a beanie. I've always got the Cashmere and Other Stories hats. I love the way they fit. I've got quite a small head and they don't like have it's not too thick, and they just sit really nicely. So I love a beanie. It just adds that kind of extra accessory to an outfit. I think Arquette do some really cool ones as well. And I'm very much looking forward to beanie season. Also means you don't have to do your hair every day. So that's it, super quick, but I thought I would give you a little bit of inspiration for your autumn wardrobe if you're thinking, oh, I don't know what to wear, don't have any clothes. You probably have a lot of these things already, and maybe you just need to add 1 or 2 things into your wardrobe. It's a nice little collection of autumnal clothes, and it's my favourite time of year for getting dressed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video and let me know how you are. I hope you're all doing really well. I've had a crazy week this week. I feel like at the moment there is a lot going on. Just gotta keep going with the flow. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.